Today we have a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled "Woman Takes Traffic Stop from 0 to 100 in Seconds."
On February 10th, 2024, officers conducted a routine traffic stop.
Hello. Hey, Officer, the reason for the stop is your tag light is not illuminated right now.
The tag light?
Yes.
Can I get out and see it?
No, not right now. Can I have your ID, please? Where are you guys heading to?
Right here.
What's right here?
The hotel.
Excuse me?
The hotel.
Okay. All right. Do you mind running down these back windows for me? Just hang tight. All right, ma'am. Do you mind step out the car for me? I gotta talk to you for a second. Just face away from me.
Going to jail.
Just walk back to my vehicle for me, okay?
Okay.
Get over here. Alright, I'll put your hands behind your back right now. You're going to be being detained because you do have a couple warrants for your arrest out of different couple of counties here in Georgia. And also, your license is suspended.
Your passenger have a driver's license?
No. Oh, you still got this on the plate.
Alright, just 1 second. I'll adjust it. Do you want to leave your car here?
No, I don't. I need to call my mom.
Alright, I'm going to start you back here.
You gotta always call mama.
No, you don't have to drive me. I'm
I'm
not gonna go nowhere.
to. Lean against
But
the
you don't
911.
have to, though.
Lean against the
It's
911.
so crazy. If I was gonna do something, I would have been gone.
Okay, cool.
Weird out here. I'm not getting in the car until I call my mom. Because I'm not leaving my car. I'm not leaving my
Have a seat.
car.
All right, we're gonna figure it out, buddy. You're gonna have a seat.
I'm not.
You're gonna, ma'am. Listen
I'm
here.
not.
You're going to get
I'm
this patrol
not.
car. Yes, you are.
I'm not. Until I call my mom. And
No.
I'm telling you.
That's not how that's gonna work.
Okay, if you would have approached me different.
God damn, these lights is messing up my guy. You see how it's bouncing off my face? I know you can see it on the video. Because you see the blue light. Damn, and I'm watching it. Golly. Turn them goddamn lights off, man.
This would be different.
What do you mean? I approached you.
You didn't, bro. You didn't. I don't even want to talk to you. For
You're
real.
gonna get in this patrol car.
I'm not.
Yes,
You're
are.
being aggressive for no reason. I'm not.
Ma'am,
I'm not.
I'm telling you that
I'm
you're
not.
going to
What are you
get in
going
the
to do? What are you going to do? You going to snatch me?
Yeah, you're gonna get in the patrol
He
car.
gonna get you
you're not
together.
gonna snatch me. I don't want to talk to him.
Man, get in the patrol car.
I'm not about to get in the patrol car. I'm telling you.
I'm telling you, you are.
Bro, I'm not.
Do you really want to do this?
No, do you really want to do it? You're doing the most for no reason.
Have a seat.
I'm not. I'm not. You can act me nicely.
Have a seat.
No, you have not. Weird ass. If you ask me nicely, I would down. You just
Have
being
a seat
aggressive for
now.
no reason. Bro, you being aggressive for no
Have a
reason.
seat, ma'am.
You're being aggressive for no reason, and I'm telling you that. That's fine. The weird ass, so weak as fuck. No, you're not gonna hurt me.
Yeah. You're catching another charge, okay? Okay, you're catching another charge.
I don't give I ain't mad. You got these tight ass handcuffs. Weird ass trying to be mean. What you talking about?
Stop kicking the car. Hey, at the very least, partial obstruction on citation.
Okay. Stop kicking
I'm not
the
doing
window.
shit. I'm not doing shit. Weird ass.
Stop doing it.
Like I said, you got the handcuffs on tight. You weird as.
Stop kicking
I'm not
the window.
doing shit. So you would loosen up these cuffs. I ain't doing shit.
They're loose. Well, you're going to jail, so.
I don't give a
not picking
I'm
the
not
window?
doing shit. Like I said,
Okay.
he was weird as when he came up to me. He could have been nice.
He was being nice.
No, he was not.
You decided he
No,
wasn't.
he
Your
was not.
mind
Like
when
I
you got
said,
arrested.
just like I told him. I said, damn, you put these cuffs on tight.
I watched him put them on.
No, the didn't.
Ma'am, listen.
Like, get out my face. Do what you gonna do. Do what you gonna do.
Are you
Do what you
stop
gonna do.
kicking back?
I'm not. I said I wasn't.
Okay. Well, we're about to put you in a device called the wrap. Okay.
What, you gonna
It's
have to
gonna
fight
bind.
me. You gonna have to fight me. You stop talking to me. Like I said, I asked you nicely. The fuck? So weird. We can't.
So what?
Wow.
All right, look. Hey, can you just
I
go to
don't
the
want to
jail?
talk.
Can you just go to the
I
jail?
don't want to talk. I don't want to talk. I don't want to talk.
All right, everybody see needs here? That's where their needs go.
Bro, do not grab me. That's all you can do. Bro, I'm not gonna get in that shit, bro. I asked you so nicely. Bro.
Needs to be turned over.
Yeah, it's gonna definitely take all y'all. Definitely. Bro, get the off my head. Stupid ass. Weak ass. You weak ass, bro. Y'all some
You gotta get it all the way up under her.
Knees her. Turn her around.
dumbass.
You gotta go underneath her.
This has gotta be under.
Yeah, there you go.
Get the off of my head, bro.
Not put your head.
Yes, the you are. Get the off my head.
She making them earn their money today. I ain't gonna lie to you, boy. She making them earn them dollars. Yeah, I mean, this is really a simple traffic stop, like, you know, but she already hot. And when you already going to jail, like, I figure when people are already in that mindset where, all right, I'm already going, it's like, they don't care. They gonna want to do it their way or whatever, because whatever charges they accumulate now, it don't even matter, because they already know they going to jail for whatever warrants and stuff like that they got. Because it did start off smooth, and then she got mad when the officer grabbed her arm to assist her to the car, but that's just protocol, and she should know that because she's been arrested a bunch of times. So she already said, I already been to jail and this and that. So you know how it go. You know that that's their protocol. They're gonna hold your arm and help assist you to the car. You know what I mean? They're not, you know, pushing you or nothing like that. And then the second problem was the handcuffs. Well, I mean, come on, like, handcuffs are not meant to be comfortable, and you a bigger girl, so a standard handcuff is really gonna be uncomfortable for you unless they got the big boys, and they probably ain't got the big boys. I don't even know if officers carry big boys. Maybe in the car they do, but you know, the regular standard size, like, it ain't gonna be comfortable for you because you a bigger girl. But it is what it is. You come on. She know what time it is, man. She just playing hard to. I was gonna say hard to get, but she just playing, you know, playing her role, man, being a badass or something, you know.
I'm not gonna do shit.
Man, I'm not hurting you. I'm controlling your head.
Bro, get the fuck out for me.
Your end upward.
Stupid ass.
Yeah, there you go. I got it.
Get the hey nothing. The y'all some lame ass, bro. Bro, get the for me.
That foot.
Just get that foot.
Weak ass. Took all y'all Jafar female, stupid
To keep you safe, man.
boy, y'all.
We're trying to keep you from hurting
Stupid ass. Oh, I'm gonna hurt one of y'all. With his weak ass couldn't get me in the car. Look,
There's not a. Is there another guy over there? Somebody, let's make sure you don't walk up on us.
he finna walk up on y'all. Y'all ain't no body. Bro, I don't want this shit on me. Y'all weird as bro. I swear to God, when I do come out this, bro, you gonna have hell.
We got a helmet so you don't hurt
Bro,
yourself.
y'all
okay?
stupid as bro.
Soft.
Weird ass, soft like you with your ass. Stupid ass shit.
Officers is funny.
Bro, y'all weak as bro. I swear to God. Bro, get the
to her first. Hey, man, listen to me.
Shut the fuck up and drag me out like they threw me in here.
No.
Shut the fuck up. I don't want to talk to nobody because y'all some sorry ass bastards.
No, man.
Stupid ass.
Listen,
I don't want to hear shit, bro. I don't want to hear nothing.
we're gonna get you out of here.
Drag me out like the they just dragged me in here.
We're gonna get you out. We can get you dressed out, alright? Alright? We're gonna help you out back here, okay? You work with us.
I'm not working with shit. Because when I'm trying to be like nobody wanted me to be nice.
Slap back for me.
No, you're going to give me out like her fuck they put
Slap
me
back
in.
for me, alright? Slap back. This is the thing.
Oh, the stupid ass.
This is the thing.
Oh, why are you still talking? Take me inside. I don't want to hear nobody mouth. Take me inside.
We're gonna help you.
Take me inside.
Right.
Take me inside. Take me inside, bro.
So we're
Take
gonna-
me the inside. I
We're
don't
gonna
hear
help
shit
you up.
you're
You
talking
ready?
about.
Are you gonna help?
No, I'm not. Oh, no. I'm not doing neither. 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 I'm not doing neither.
We can take these off and you can walk.
Okay.
You gonna walk?
You gonna take them off?
Nope.
Okay. Yeah, if you want to take them off. You want to be rude with you. Like, I don't want to talk to nobody. Put me in the cell, bro. Put me in the cell. Bro, I'm not going to put me in the cell. But they were. And right now I'm on 10. I'm talking about I'm on 10. I'm on 10. Nobody can tell me shit. Figure it out. That's what you for.
Stand you up again.
How the I'm going to lean back with this shit on?
Get back to him. That's skin. Come on.
Bro, I'm telling you, I'm not doing shit.
The woman was charged with multiple driving infractions, resisting arrest, and battery on law enforcement officers. Thanks for watching today's video.
Yeah, I mean, at that point, crumbs from the cookies, man. You got the cookies. Anyway, yeah. At that point, the only person that she would listen to is the black female with the yellowish hair on top of her head or whatever. Or I think she would listen to any of the black females. I mean, you got to read the room, okay? She don't respect authority at all, right? But she's being an asshole, right? But she would have a little bit more respect for authority that look like her. That's why really they didn't even need the wheelchair and stuff like that. I think that lady could have talked her out of, all right, well, we'll take you out of this and boom and stuff like that or whatever. Like, you see, she ain't listening to the white CO, the bigger dude. She ain't listening to the cops. She ain't listening to none of them. But at the end, she's like, hey, I don't want to, give y'all a hard time, but, whatever. So she would be able to talk her down. And I'm sure that night, that's what happened. You know what I mean? Once she got up in there and everything smoothed over, she calmed down. But going back to when the officers was putting her in the wrap and they were like, hey, we want to protect you. It's for your safety, and putting the helmet on her and stuff. They're saying that for the camera, right? We don't want you to hurt yourself, right? But they're really doing it because she's being a pain in the butt. But you say that for the camera, you know what I mean? And saying little slick stuff like that irritates the suspect even more. Like, it's just so funny. They putting the helmet on. She like, man, why you got this dumbass thing on me? Yada, yada, yada. Why you got this dumb thing on me? This and that. And they're like, well, we don't want you to hurt yourself. We're doing it for your safety. Oh my goodness. That was hilarious. That was so funny. Oh man, that was funny. Anyway, I think the officers did a good job, man. All the way around, you want to act like an a-hole. We go. It's fine. You know what I'm saying? We get paid the same, whether, we have a smooth night or a rough night. But we can make your transportation just a little bit tougher if you want to continue to act like an asshole. And that's what the rap is for and stuff like that. You know, it's just funny. Anyway, I get an officers 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And wasn't that blue light crazy? Yo, that shit was crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you. That blue light, the whole video. Oof, boy. Anyway, yeah, let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.